Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Hi everybody, it's Lou here, and today I'm going to have my son, Lucius, do my makeup. You gonna do my makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Say, hey everybody, like and subscribe.
Hi, everybody. This is hi.
What are you gonna do first? All this makeup right here. What are you gonna do? You gonna use that? Okay, grab it. Let's show them what you're using. My contour stick. What are you gonna do with that? On the lips? Okay, you do what you want here. On me, weirdo.
Not this.
On me. You do my makeup. Okay. Anything else? What else? Oh, the liquid highlighter. Put some on this little sponge. Okay. Where is that gonna go on me?
Right here.
Okay, put it on. Okay, do you want to blend it out?
Yeah.
Okay, is that it? Okay. Alright, what next? Foundation. Okay, where are you gonna put the foundation?
I do.
On me? Where on me?
Right here.
Okay. It's all about the forehead, huh? You can put it all over.
No, that.
I see, it's in my hair. Anywhere else? Okay. Where else?
Right here.
Do I need more?
No.
No? Okay. What's next? Ooh, blush.
Yeah. That.
Okay. So you just dab it in there and put it wherever you want.
Right here.
You're right. Right on the cheek. Good job. Other cheek? Okay. What next? Okay. Do you know that one is? It's a dark bronzer. Okay.
Right here.
Okay. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. What next? Powder. Powder. Okay.
That cool.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa. Just tap a little bit in there.
It's gold.
Yeah, it smells good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. In my hair.
No. Right here.
Oh. Do you need more?
No.
Okay. Okay, do you want to play with colors?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's there's that one. With those colors.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
Wow, this is wow.
It's so sparkly, huh? And look at that one.
Wow.
So we have this one too. And this one has all of those.
Not beside that jaw.
Oh, right here.
Wow, this is so peasy.
Yeah, where does it go?
Right here.
It goes on my forehead.
Yeah.
The pink one?
Yeah.
Okay, where's that one going to go? Well, definitely highlighted.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How about my eyes? Do you want anything on my eyes?
No.
No.
My this job.
That one?
Yeah. That's a
Studio Makeup. And this one has those neutral colors in it.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want a different brush?
Yeah.
How about that one?
Oh, that don't know it's cool.
Yeah.
Okay. My good is right here.
Right there?
Hmm.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah.
Do you want any more?
No.
No. I can't even see that. Is that all?
Yeah.
Are we done?
No.
No.
No, this job.
Yeah, that one. What's this one? See that one? This one is a blush and highlighter palette. Okay, so where does that go?
Wow.
Where's that gonna go?
Yeah. At this.
And that one?
Yeah. It go on this job.
Oh, thank you.
At this job.
And that one?
Yeah. I don't know this job, Kajol.
That one's it's like a peach. The peachy tone, it's called Scorcher.
Oh.
Where's it go?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
I don't do this job.
That one.
Yeah, this is cool.
That one's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is Elf Matte Lip Color. Okay. Okay. Is that it?
No.
No? Is there more? This one's mommy's favorite.
Yeah.
It's by Ulta Beauty. And it's a nude color. It's called Pink Chocolate. Okay. Anything else?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna have so much lipstick on me.
Yeah.
Okay. This one's called Meet Matte Hudges.
Yeah.
Long lasting liquid lip.
It's the.
You did pretty good on the lips.
Yeah. I almost the.
Almost done?
Yeah.
Okay.
This.
About that,
Yeah.
some more powder. This one you can get from the dollar store. It's really good. This is one of my favorite powders. Oh!
Wow, this is a
I just made a mess.
Wow, this is easy shot.
It's really strong, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. There you go.
Oh, shoot.
I know, huh? Achoo! Here. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a lot.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll go to.
That one.
Yeah.
Another powder.
Yeah.
Guys, I got this for Halloween. It was for putting white cream on the face and then you powder it. So we're gonna do that, I guess. So you just put it in there. Okay, how about on this side?
Okay.
We need more?
No.
No, we're good. That was it.
Oh, my feet, yes.
That one.
Yeah.
Peach Perfect palette. There we go.
Well, that's your fight goal.
Yeah, it does smell good. I like this palette. Here you go. On my nose? Well, at least you know to highlight the nose.
Oh, this. So.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, that one looks cool.
This one is my contour palette.
Yeah. My
Has all
night
of those on it. And you go right in the highlighter one. And I guess that's where it's the highlight. Any more?
No.
Are you done with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
This so.
Oh, we're gonna use all my palettes today, guys.
Well, them turtles.
Yeah, they are circles.
Yeah. Oh, well, there's a needle.
Mm-hmm.
It don't fit here.
No, it doesn't fit in there.
No.
Which color are you gonna use?
Always.
Orange?
Hmm.
Where's that gonna, you want it on my eye? On my forehead? Okay.
And I do this.
Oh, you wanna use my concealer?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What is with you and my forehead? What about the rest of my face?
No.
No, it's all about the forehead.
Yeah.
Yeah. My very white foundation, everyone, by
Oh,
Maybelline.
that I don't like it.
Yeah, okay, we'll put some on here.
Well, this is big.
Yeah, he's using the sponge. Okay, where's that gonna go?
On your eye.
On my eye? Now you wanna do my eye? Okay. What about the other eye? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're like cow, mommy.
What?
You're like cow.
Oh yeah, I'm like a cow?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, well, not this.
Another foundation.
This,
Okay. Okay.
you're like me.
I'm like you?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Are we done?
No.
No? We're gonna put a primer on now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Brush. It's a little paintbrush.
Yeah.
We'll just go like that. Okay? On my neck?
Yeah.
On my Okay. That one.
Yeah.
So this one is by Burt's Bees
Yeah.
in Suede Splash 502. Okay. Oh, okay.
You're like Bill.
Do I look beautiful?
Yeah.
I look beautiful.
Yeah.
Ooh, that one's pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, this one's by Oprah. Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, Monaco.
I do buy that.
Renee, your auntie, actually gave it to me.
Oh.
It was in an Ipsy box.
Oh.
I look so beautiful, Boo. You did such a great job. That was the last one, okay? All right.
Yeah.
Okay, sit down. Let's say goodbye to the camera.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful masterpiece from my son. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you have fun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right. Say like and subscribe.
The night outside.
Good job.